I cannot believe I have a dog. That's disgusting. Oh my god.
And I'll sleep like this. I exposed myself. Wow, that just took me so long. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, I have been having a really weird month. I've been having so many different things happening in my life, and I've been dealing with like a lot of like mental health, and it's been a roller coaster. And my house has become disgusting. This is the dirtiest my house has been since I moved in. And I love vlogging, so I figured why not film it, because that's so motivating, because like you gotta get it done, you're vlogging, right? And I was watching this one girl's YouTube video, I don't know her name, I think it was like Caitlin or Catlin or something, and she was like, just vlog yourself and then you'll clean better. And I was like, I'm doing that because I personally do enjoy cleaning a lot. Like, I love it. Cleaning is like so fun for me. So this will be motivating hopefully for you guys, and a bit embarrassing for me because this is disgusting for me. Like, I usually have a pretty clean house and I've been keeping it pretty maintained. Like, I'll do like a clean here and there, but the thing that I'm failing at is like doing a deep clean, like getting all those nook and crannies. I think that's what they say. So without further ado, or whatever they say, let's get into this video. So I figured I'd start by giving you guys a little overview of my apartment and just totally exposing myself. Again, sorry for the horrible lighting. And also, this is a bit of a sneak peek. I'm still decorating and getting my house together, but I'm just focusing on school right now. But my kitchen, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. I just need to do some dishes and clean the oven, clean the counters. I also really need to sweep and mop, but my kitchen isn't too horrible. And then over here, this is like my dining room. It's, again, not too bad. That's my dog. Say hello. He is very shy apparently, but my dining room's not too bad, just needs to be cleaned and stuff. My living room, again, not the worst, but needs to be deep cleaned. And over here in my little desk nookie area, it as well needs to be deep cleaned. And now time to really expose myself. So another task I want to get done is my front closet. So my door's right there, and this is my closet. It is disgusting. It's just we've been throwing stuff there, and we just haven't really done a deep clean there. So going down my hallway, this is, oh, censored light. This is kind of like my dog's bedroom area. Yes, there's a printer on top. Don't know where to put it. It's so freaking big, but I have to like kind of fix that. And over here is like another storage area, and it's a big mess. So hopefully I'm gonna clean that. Random pants on the floor. And my bathroom, again, ooh, who's that? Ooh, that's me. It just needs to be deep cleaned because I haven't done it in a while, and I'm feeling it. Like under here, it's just not organized, and that is something I want to get done today. So now going into my room, and this is super embarrassing, guys, so please don't judge or be motivated to clean your room. My room is disgusting. I have crap everywhere. And wait till you see my closet, because I had my dog crate in here before, like right there, and then I ended up moving it to the front room where I showed you guys, and so I just had it a mess in here. So I need to like clean my closet. It's disgusting, and I'm getting new clothes coming soon, so I need to get that done. My room is not looking good at all. I just changed my bed sheets not that long ago, so that's fine, but I just need to do a cleaning, clean the floor, mop, sweep. I have my vlogging stuff behind my doggy. Gunner, come here. Okay, also appreciate this baby. Appreciate. Oh, little baby. Okay, again, horrible lighting, sorry. But so, you guys, I exposed myself. Now I'm trying to decide where I need to start cleaning. So I really want to start doing my room slash closet first because it's super gross, and it's like I've been getting anxiety from like looking at it, and I am trying to get my room done first, I think, because it's gross, okay? And I'm also trying to pick priorities because I have like 2 assignments that are due tonight, and I haven't even started, if I'm being completely honest. And I think I'm just feeling like crammed, and you know what I mean, and I'm just ugh. But let's get to my room. Okay guys, so I figured I'd start off with my bed because making your bed gives you space to throw shit. So let's make my bed. I have so much of my boyfriend's clothes. Like every single night I go like this. Can you see me? I like lay and I'll just like, and I'll sleep like this. That's how I sleep every single night. I don't know, I just can't sleep without his stuff. And if it doesn't smell like him, I'm like, excuse me, restock my sleeping. I'm so lazy. I've done about nothing and my camera's at 27%, so can we at least clean my room? Motivating. My bed is thick and juicy and made. Like, wow, I'm impressed. Look at that. Sexy. Now I must clean my nightstand. So I got these flowers from my boyfriend for our 1 year. So happy anniversary to me. Give this video a thumbs up to congratulate me on 1 year celebrated with my adorable boyfriend, whom will stay anonymous because I wish I could say. Gunnar, why are you always playing with your ball? I need to get some Lysol wipes. BRB. That is disgusting. Can you see that? Now it's dirty underneath. This is why I'm stupid. Ugh. I'm gonna take all my jewelry off of this and clean this, and I'll be right back. Bam! Now it's clean. Oh, satisfying. The amount of Lysol wipes I've been through. I'm disgusted in myself, and all of you should be too. Okay guys, now we're at the nightstand that I use the most, okay? It is very disgusting, okay? We have a candle, my perfume Scandalous that I use every freaking day, a toothbrush, I don't know why that's there, and bam, it's clean. Wow, spectacular. I have my 50 Shades of Grey collection series right here. Don't hate on me for reading it. It's a good book. I don't know. I like it. And then we have a Christmas ornament. We have my pineapple mango candle, my adorable light perfume. Okay guys, now for this part of my room. Thick ass in that mirror. Juicy and thick. Just kidding. Guys, just giving a little shout out to my boyfriend who's at Anonymous, but he painted this. I cannot believe I have a dog. That's disgusting. Oh my god. That's a bit more tidied. I just have to like clean the floor because it's very hairy. But that's like looking better. Moving on. God, I'm dramatic AF. Now I'm going to clean all of the shit I have put on my bed from cleaning. And I'll be right back because I'm gonna plug my camera in while I clean this and then we'll move on. I just wrecked my carpet after I just fixed it. Oh my god. And I'm back. Okay, next part is going to be random shit that is on my floor, part 500. Motivating. Now it's time to clean my disgusting mirrors. Clean or well, good enough to be honest. Now time to clean my windows. Now that I wiped down my windows, it is time to sweep my disgusting floor. Wow, this is disgusting. Ew. Now it is time to mop. This is my favorite part. Wow, that just took me so long, but my room is clean and it's so vibey. And that is my finished room. That was fun. It took me like 2.5 hours. So I have decided, because this vlog is clearly going to be pretty long, obviously, that I'm going to be turning it into a bit of a series. So this will be part 1 of cleaning my entire house. And then I think I'm gonna do my closet next in part 2. And yeah, that was pretty fun. If you did enjoy it, give this video a big thumbs up because your girl needs it, okay? And it does me a solid, so give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, because clearly you have to see the rest of this luxurious series that I'm about to be doing. I think I'm gonna do my closet next, and I think the rest of the house. I'm just running out of time, so I think I'm gonna take a break and work on some schoolwork for a bit, and yeah, then I'm gonna do my closet and vlog that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, go and check out my other videos, cause yeah. Okay, bye.